Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a price list in Canva. So here you can just open the canva.com on your web browser. Then after it's open, you can click on the search column at the top and just type in price list as the keyword. Hit on enter on your keyboard, and here you can just explore the price list template that you want to for your business today. For example, here I'm going to use this templates right here. Tap on the template and click on the customize this template, and the template will be opened in the new tab. Now you can just adjust the color or change the item or the price to how you like it. For example, I'm going to change this price, the price of this item. Oh, just like this. You can adjust also or change the background color if you want to. You can also change the phone how you like it. And after you are done with the changes, you can just click on the share button and tap on download, choose the file type or adjust the size, and after that hit on download and the prices will be saved. So that's how you can create a price list with Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thank.